Hello and welcome to another video. Today I've actually got myself a Google Pixel. I've got the 3A XL. This is my first Google Pixel. I've not really bothered about them before too much, just because of the price, and I like features on my phones, but I've got this one for a really good price. So let's unbox it. So here we go. It's the outside packaging. It's a good sturdy little box. Looks really good. So let's whack it out. I've already cracked the seals just to have a quick look peek inside, just to see what it's like. And obviously you got the phone first of all. Inside you've got your power cable, transfer adapter, the transfer your data, and in this one you've got the power brick as well. So it's all USB type C, and the cable is also USB type C, both ends. So let's move that out of the way. So it's just a quick unboxing. Already got it smudgy. So this is obviously the black colour. Right, so I've got my information in. So what we got with this, we got a 6-inch OLED panel. I'm still restoring data. It's nice and bright. It's a 76.3% screen to body ratio. It's a 1080 by 2160, so a 1080p panel, and from what I can see so far, it looks really good. So this is running Android 9 Pie. It's got a security patch update which I haven't downloaded yet. It's running the Snapdragon 670 chip, which from what I hear is perfectly good. You've got your stereo speakers, you've got your, on the back, you've got your 12.2 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel one on the front. So it's running 64 gigabytes of storage with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Because it's an OLED panel, you also got always on display, which I haven't got switched on at the moment. So just pop into settings quickly. Ambient display, yep, we'll have those on. So you'll have your and all your notifications will come up here. So once all my apps are fully downloaded, I'll start getting all my notifications. So you've got your fingerprint sensor on the rear, or you can use your pattern. It does have a trusted face type thing, but it's not a proper face recognition thing, so I probably won't use that. The one thing I did forget to mention was it's got a fast charging. Yeah, it's a 18 watt fast charger. So all that rubbish to one side, and also it's got a 3700 milliamp hour battery, so that should hopefully last me a good day, especially at a 1080p panel. The weight of this thing, it feels, I mean, compared to say an iPhone, it feels quite light. I'm just trying to look out the it's 167 grams. There we go. So the plastic build on the back, not too bad. I mean, it doesn't have the cold feel of the aluminium frame and all that. But the one thing I'll say about the lighter weight, with these other smartphones that you have in your pocket, they can weigh down your pockets quite a bit. So this is kind of a bit of a relief. So we'll see how that goes. Now, because I'm worried about, it's got Dragon Tail glass, it's not Gorilla Glass on the front, so I do have a screen protector, Spigen one, and Spigen clear case, so I'll do another quick video for those. But I think for now, what I'll do is I'll go out and take some pictures, and I'll give you a first impressions. I'll use it for a short bit and see how I get on. Right, this is a front-facing 8-megapixel camera. So you got me with the sunlight right behind the camera, so this is all handheld. I don't know what the background details like. I've got no external microphone, it's all in auto, no gimbal or anything, so it's just purely on the phone's camera. So I don't know what it looks like. Seems to look alright. Let's see what it's like when it changes from light to dark. I don't know what it looks like, but how the cameras, how the microphones sound. So swap over to rear facing camera and we'll have a look at that. Right, so this is a rear facing camera, 12.2 megapixels. I've just got it in 1080p. Have a little look around, take a bit of a walk. This is all handheld. Again, no microphones or anything. Just see what stabilisation's like. Guess the microphones are okay. Doing alright. So I'll have a little look at the zoom. It doesn't look too bad. From what I can see, it's not too bad. Difficult to tell. I've got the sunlight reflecting right off the screen, so. But yeah. Up towards flags. Look straight in towards the sun. I don't know how that comes out. I can't see, but. Not bad. So the next set of images is just general photographs that I've taken. They come out really good and sharp. There's a natural bokeh on some of them. It's really easy to use camera. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Obviously one of the highlights is the portrait mode. It's sort of party piece really, and I'm very impressed. Maybe not perfect, there's some bits and pieces here and there, but not bad. Right, so overall my first experiences of this have been very positive. I do have some slight downsides. It took me a while because I'm used to like the Huawei phones and that the power button and the volume buttons being the other way around. So I keep pressing the volume button, but my one thing, if I could just say to Google if they could change for the next device, would be able to make the screen that bit brighter. When you're in some, not so much sunshine, but bright weather, it can be quite difficult to see the screen. But other than that, really, this phone's been absolutely, well, it's been brilliant. I wish I got the white one, really. I'm already, even with a case, I'm starting to get some marks on the shiny bits on the black. But it's to be expected. I kind of expected that. The camera's brilliant, love it. The software's been absolutely excellent. I've had no problems with the processor on this thing. All this stuff that people keep banging on about, low budget processors, stuff like that. The phone flies, it's smooth, there's no problems with it at all. I've upgraded this to Android 10 as well, the latest Android Q, as it's commonly called at the moment. And so far, because it's got dark mode and that, I've loved it. I really have. The battery, it lasted me really well before that. After the Android Q update, it's even better. So the lightweight helps. The headphone jack, well used. It's so nice, and it's got good stereo speakers. yeah, above all, I think this has been a brilliant phone. Really enjoyed it. So above all, my first impressions are very good. I shall do a more longer term review of it later on, but this is just my initial impressions. Right, so that's the Pixel 3a XL. I recommend it. It's a brilliant little device. It's just been just over a week with it, so I've really enjoyed it. The cameras are just brilliant. So yeah, I look forward to doing some more stuff on this. So keep an eye out, like, share and subscribe, and hit notification bell. I've got a couple of cases and screen protectors for it, so I'll do review videos on those. So look out for those. So, yep. So for now, bye for now.